What's up, guys? This is Sonic 3D Blast Dudes back again. I am on the Manhattan-bound E Express train where we left Sutphin Boulevard, JFK Airport. Next stop's going to be Jamaica Van Way. Right now, I'm in the process of helping some people get to 7th Avenue, 53rd Street, which is in Manhattan. Stop is Lexington Avenue, 53rd Street. That also means we're leaving Queens and entering Manhattan. Okay, we are now in Manhattan and leaving Lexington Avenue, 53rd Street. The next stop is 5th Avenue, 53rd Street. Okay, we are now leaving 5th Avenue, 53rd Street. So that means the next stop is 7th Avenue, 53rd Street.
This is 7th Avenue, 53rd Street. Attention everyone, there are over 150 accessible subway stations. Please check mta.info/elevators for real-time elevator status at your station. Transfer is available through the D train.
You got it. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude. I'll see you next time.